The synopsis window enables you to view, create, and edit predefined parallel passage displays. You can open the synopsis window by going to Tools on the main menu, then Viewing the Text, and Synopsis Window. When you first open the synopsis window, it opens to the Elan synopsis of the four Gospels. If you're reading a passage in a synoptic gospel, such as Jesus stilling the storm, and you go to Tools, Viewing the Text, and Synopsis Window, the synopsis window will open to the Stilling the Storm pericopes for Matthew, Mark, and Luke displayed in parallel columns. The default file is the Elan synopsis, which gives you an English display of the Elan synopsis of the four Gospels. But you can also go to File and Open to open other preset synopsis files. For example, the Elan Greek, Elan, Gospels, and Gospels 2 all display parallel gospel passages. So if we wanted to view the Elan synopsis in Greek, we would click the Elan Greek and then Open to display our synopsis in Greek. Notice that a small auto-info window displays below each gospel column. You can search for a verse by going to View and Find Verse, and enter a verse that you wish to find. I'll search for Luke chapter 9, verse 27. And the synopsis window changes to the Elan category for that verse. So the synopsis window quickly allows you to view a gospel synopsis when you're studying the synoptic gospels. But let's explore some of the other options available to you. Again, we'll go to File and Open. There are two files that deal with where the New Testament quotes the Old Testament. Notice that we have the NTOT and the OTNT. I'll double-click on the NTOT, and that displays passages where the New Testament quotes the Old Testament from the perspective of the New Testament. Go to File and Open and choose the OTNT, and using the Old Testament canonical order, one can view passages where the Old Testament is quoted in the New Testament. Again, I'll click on File and Open. And there are several files for parallel passages, such as one that shows the parallels between 2 Chronicles, Ezra and Nehemiah, and 1 Esdras. The OT file shows parallel passages within the Old Testament. And the Jude file shows parallels between Jude and 2 Peter. Let's take a look at some of the navigation features within the synopsis window. Again, go to Tools, Viewing the Text, and Synopsis Window. When you're using the synopsis window, you can also scroll through the upper window using the scroll arrows at the right of the window. When you come to a synopsis pericope, you can click on that to move to that particular pericope. Also, the upper window is adjustable if you move your mouse cursor down so you have the arrows pointing up and down, and then drag to display more of the upper window. Then you can view your passage options. And click on one to view it.